What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the rear airbags on my 13 STI. One of the sides, it like hits, and I think it's that pillow ball bearing. So I'm going to replace them, and then I'll be replacing that pillow ball bearing once I do some more research on it. But yeah, we're going to do that right now. So first thing we're going to do is just get that jack under there. We're going to get it on the diff, and then just raise it up. I already broke loose the lug nuts on both sides. Alright, so we're just going to get that jack under there. Since the low life is real, I guess, I have it aired up pretty high. And I still can't get it under there because of the exhaust, so I'm going to just hit it, or raise it up from the control arms. So we raised one side up, so now I put the jack down on the left side. Now we're going to drop it slowly. Make sure it caught onto it. Alright, so we got that jack stand on there. Now we have enough room to get the jack under the diff, so we're going to raise it from the diff and then hit the right side with the jack stand. Got both jack stands under. Now we just keep the jack under there for extra security. Next thing is getting the wheels off and then getting suspension torn apart. Alright, so before I start working, I had to suit up. Gotta represent my job. Shout out to utility. Alright, let's take off the wheel off this side. I think I don't have this. Alright, so next thing we're just gonna get all the air out of the system. So we use this little valve stem tool, and then this is the line that's connected at the bottom of the tank to get like all the water out if there's any in there. So we're just gonna take that off and then let all the air get out of there. Alright, so there's still air in the airbag, but I got all the air out of the tank, so we're just going to disconnect both air lines from here. And there's the other one right there, and then that'll get the air out of the airbag. Alright, so to get the airbag off, you obviously have to take that bolt off for the airbag, and then you got to take off the sway bar end link. And then you might, I can't remember correctly, but you might have to take off that bolt for the control arm so it can drop more. But we'll see right now when we do it. Alright, so something always happens. I kind of hit myself, and it's not too bad, but we have the paramedic over here. It's going to hook me up. Di hola, sigue. Hola. Pónmela. Just going to get me cured. Ooh. Thank you. Alright, so this first bolt for the airbag, it's a 17 mil. Alright, so we're just gonna hit it with the screwdriver and hammer to get the bolt out of it. Next one is that sway bar end lead. It's just the 14 mil. Alright, so if I had the 14 mil half-inch socket, it would have been so good. But since homeboy lost it, I had to use a different one. It stripped the hell out of it, so now I just gotta cut it. Going for the sway bar end link. We'll see how that goes right now. Alright, so I was able to cut one side off, and now the other side is free and I can grab him. And the only thing, I want to try and get it with a socket so then I can just twist it out, but it's all stripped out, so we'll see what I do right now. Alright, so that's out now. I kind of cut it and then I just use the wrench to kind of grab this end, see if it focuses. You guys can see how bad it is. But now that control arm lowers more, so then you can get that bag out. So now you just have to get the bolts from up there, or the nuts I mean, and then you can take the airbag off. And now we're going to do the other side, and let's not do the same thing with the whole bolt thing. So now we're just going to get those nuts from inside. So there's one right there, and the other one's just on the whole other side. It's a 14 mil. Just going to use a little ratchet and a little extension. Alright, so we got the nuts off on top, so now I'm just push down and then try and get that other. There we go, it's out, and now it's just holding on by a zip tie. I'm going to cut that off right now, and then the whole bag can just come off. One bag's out, now we're just going to do the left side and not ruin that other bolt. First thing I'm going to take off on this side is the sway bar end link this time. Let's see how it goes. Now it's just the one for the airbag, it's a 17. So we just got to push down and the airbag. Come on. This other one. Alright, so I think I'm done for today. I gotta go ahead and go work. So I'm gonna just leave it there. But I got all the airbags off. And then I have to go buy a new bolt. I'm gonna call Subaru or AutoZone, and if they don't have it, I'm gonna just go to the junkyard and get one from there. But yeah, finish it up tomorrow. I'll catch you guys then. Alright, so this is the airbag that pillow ball bearing is bad on. And I was looking, and it does have some movement, some play I guess, and this one doesn't. And these are the ones I bought off the guy. They look like they're in really good condition. So I got these two, and I got two front spare airbags. I got them so cheap, so I couldn't pass on. These two are under $1,000, and I got them for like a quarter of that. But yeah, we're gonna slap on these other ones and then see how they ride. I might have to take off that little locking thing because I think it's gonna hit with that. I don't know. Or I might just connect it directly like this one, because that's gonna hit for sure. But yeah, these are the airbags. Yeah, it's gonna hit, so I'm gonna just take them off. So these are the airbags that are going in, but they have this fitting, and when I'm gonna max them out. So this little locking thing is gonna hit So I'm gonna take them off, and then he gave me some leader lines. But it doesn't have this other piece where the airline connects to. If it focuses, nope. But yeah, the airline just connects there. So I'm gonna just take that leader line off of the old ones and then put them onto the new ones. Alright, so I got that leader line on both of them, and this little locking plate thing, whatever, it wouldn't go in, like it would hit, so I just maxed them out. And these are shorter than the other ones. Where the other ones are? Right here, so it's gonna lower a lot more. I don't know, I'm gonna just adjust it once I see. So I'm gonna get fender to lip on the back. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna slap them on right now. Alright, so both airbags are in. And now I'm curious to see how much it's gonna lower. I didn't even put that locking plate in, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm waiting for my friend Coy to bring me the sway bar end link bolt that stripped really bad. They had some here in Riverdale. No, they didn't have any here in Riverdale. The Subaru in Riverdale. So he works at the one in like Salt Lake. So I told him if he can bring me one. He said yeah. But yeah, that's the end of this one. I just wanted to show you guys how to switch to the rear airbags. But yeah, it's all good. I'm just waiting for that bolt. And I can put my wheels back on, my lug nuts, and then see how much it's going to lower. But yeah, that's it for this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one.